Where is it?
It's in the car.
Here. Whoa, green dinosaur. What noise does this green dinosaur make?
Wow.
Hi, Missouri. You're swimming very well. Hey? You love your unicorn. Wow, that was the baby pool.
Let's go.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
All right, you gotta hold my hand. Missouri. Are you gonna swim? Yeah. Is that fun? Are you swimming? Whee!
I found this one.
What is it? It's a rock. Wow.
哟，再買四號一間學。
There you go.
Thank you. I have something for you. Ready? What's in the bag? It's a dinosaur. Can you show me how squishy he is? You pull him?
老闆啊，嚟。
Wow, squishy dinosaur. Purple. Purple. Yeah, he's swimming also. Blue dinosaur. He's swimming. And
Orange.
orange dinosaur. Wow, swimming as well. They're all floating. Whoa. What color is that one?
Purple.
Yeah. Where's the orange one?
It's here.
Can you stretch him, the orange one? Wow. Does he go swimming? Wow. What color is this one?
Blue.
Blue. Good girl. Wow, he's so stretchy. Oh, he goes swimming. That was all of them. Green, orange, blue, and purple. One green dinosaur. And...
Put it in the water.
oh yes, let the orange one swim. Whee! Vroom.
Green dinosaur can swim.
Yeah. Whee! Oh, that was a great swim.
Blue dinosaur can swim.
Blue dinosaur. Woohoo! He also swims. Who's that one?
Purple.
Purple dinosaur.
Purple dinosaur can swim.
He also can swim. Woohoo!
She go to swim.
Yeah.
She go to water and swim.
Okay. You found a slide. You gonna put the dinosaurs on the slide? Blue dinosaur. Whoa, you go down the slide.
She can't go to swim.
Really? Did the other one slide?
I find it.
Ooh.
I go up.
Good girl. Careful.
Yeah. I be careful.
Slowly.
I find the rock Yeah.
Hello. That's fun, isn't it? Hmm? Is that fun? Ah, you're gonna get me. Ah. Oh, you got me. Oh. Wow, you're too fast. Oh, so fast. Ah.